You can choose, if you would like new layout items, to always open in a dock, or free floating. To do so, go to the toolbar, open the Tools tab, select Options, and then, Layouts. If you would like all newly opened windows to automatically open in a dock, check the option, Open in Dock Window. If you leave this option unchecked, Windows will open free floating, but you will still have the ability to manually create docks. Once the option, Open in Dock Window, is enabled, every window you open from the New tab of the toolbar will automatically open in a dock. If a dock has already been opened, all newly added windows will load into the same dock. The newly opened windows will initially be stacked as top tabs inside the dock. If a dock contains many top tabs, they can be viewed and opened by clicking the small downward pointing arrow on the top right-hand side of the window. The layout of the dock can be changed and arranged in the following way. To move any dock layout item, grab the left-hand side corner of its tab with your mouse, and drag it towards the center of the dock. This will bring up the placement tool. The placement tool provides 6 placement options. These are bottom, top, left, and right, as well as tabbed on the top, and pinned to the left. To place a layout item at the bottom, drag it towards the center of the dock, and let it go. Once the bottom part below the placement tool turns blue. To place a layout item on top of any dock, drag it towards the center of the dock, and let it go. Once the top part above the placement tool turns blue. You will see that every window inside a dock is a mini dock all on its own and has its own placement tool. This means that you can drag any layout item into the center of a mini dock, to bring up the placement tool, and to place it on the top, bottom, left or right of this mini dock. To place a layout item on the left-hand side, drag it towards the center of the dock, and let it go. Once the left-hand side of the placement tool turns blue. To place a layout item on the right-hand side, drag it towards the center of the dock, and let it go. Once the right-hand side of the placement tool turns blue. To turn a layout item into a top tab, drag it towards the center of the dock, and let it go. Once the entire area around the placement tool turns blue. To attach a layout item, as a slide-out pin to the left-hand side of the dock, drag it towards the small separate placement tool on the left-hand side of the dock. Let it go. Once the area around the small separate placement tool on the left-hand side turns blue. To enable the slide-out pin's auto-hide function, click on the small pin icon on the top right-hand side of the window. When auto-hide is enabled, these layout items will only slide out when clicked on. You can add multiple layout items as slide-out pins to the left-hand side. You can resize the dock, and mini docks inside the dock, any way you like. By grabbing their borders and dragging them. To give a dock a name, right-click into its header and select Change Title. Enter a new name in the dock window title field, then press OK. Please note, you can load any Trade Ideas window, except the channel bar, into an already open dock. To create a docked channel bar, go to the toolbar, open the new tab, and select Docked Channel Bar. Thereafter, you can add any other windows to your docked channel bar, following the process outlined above. To open a blank dock, go to the toolbar, open the new tab, and select Docked Window. Give your new dock a name, then press OK.